Hi everyone. I'm back from having my knee replacement surgery, so I'm still looking for easy, simple, but delicious meals. Tonight, I'm making a one-pan meal, and I'm starting with some ground beef. I'm going to brown this off, and then I'm going to start building layers. It's going to be delicious and easy. Okay, and now while the meat is frying off, we're gonna have some cheese tortellini come with us, and we're gonna have these broccoli florets come with us too. Oh. All right, time to give the meat some pizzazz. I'm going to add some fresh parsley first. Next, I'll hit it up with a little bit of salt and a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of black pepper. And finish browning off that meat. All right, and you know what? I went back to the freezer and I got a bag of already chopped peppers and onions, and I'm gonna throw those in too. Just enough on top to give it that little bit of flavor. Maybe a little more. Why not? All right. Let those get in the mix, and I'll show you what's next. Now that's a good-looking pan of goodies cooking over there. But we're going to kick it up by using our bag of broccoli florets. I'm going to open these up, throw them in the pan, then let's see what we got. Alrighty, we've got our broccoli florets opened, and in they go. Oh man, they're smelling good. Everything in this pan is smelling good. Alright, I'm gonna find my cap. And we'll let that sit for a little bit and check on it very soon. Okie dokie, we've got our meat and our veggies doing in this pan, and now I have water I'm going to bring to a boil in this pot. I should have never said it was a one-pan meal because I do boil the tortellini, but other than that, it's a one-pan meal because when the tortellini is done, I'm going to transfer that over to this pan, and we're almost there. Let me salt my water, cap it, and let's see if we can bring this to a rapid boil. Right, everything in our fry pan is pretty much done. And at that point, I figured, well, let me see if I could throw one more thing in there. And I came up with, how about fresh mushrooms? Right? How could you go wrong? Put some of these guys in there. They'll take, what, a minute to do? And then we're going to throw it all together and eat. Alrighty, if you want butter, this is the way to go. I'm going to take a quarter, I'm going to throw it in this pan rather, and it's going to make it so nice and creamy. Alright gang, the tortellini is done cooking, and now I'm going to take some chicken broth and add it to the fry pan. Our tortellini is finished. So our tortellini goes into the fry pan. Yep, every last one in. Well, now it's a done deal. Doesn't that look delicious? Nice and steamy hot. All of those fresh veggies and all of the nice ingredients we put in. The only thing I can think of is add a little bit of shredded Parmesan cheese over those veggies and tortellini, and we have dinner served. Thank you for watching. I hope you try it. It's delicious, hearty, and good. Have a good evening, everyone.